Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Medibil Pro. I hope you guys will be fine and doing great and enjoying your good lives. Okay, so today we are going to continue our session of remote and on-site jobs. Okay, so if you are a medical biller and if you are a certified medical biller or coder and still you are looking for remote jobs, basically many people ask me, sir, can you please let us know or can you please help us to find different jobs which are available remote or work from home. Okay, so I'm just going to get you to a website that is basically going to be the ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट एंड दैट इज 100% रियल. ओके, सो इसके ऊपर आप लोगों को 100% रियल जॉब्स अवेलेबल होंगी. सो इफ यू आर अ सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल बिलर और कोडर, ओके, सो आप लोगों के पास अगर सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं देन यू गाइस कैन अप्लाई ऑन दिस वन. ओके, सो मैं स्टार्ट के अंदर ही आप लोगों को गाइड कर रहा हूँ कि अगर आप लोगों के पास सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं, आप लोग इंडिया से हैं, पाकिस्तान से हैं, यूएसए से हैं, फिलीपींस से हैं, किसी और कंट्री से हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से और किसी कनाडा से, किसी और कंट्री से हैं. ओके, एंड यू वांट टू वर्क रिमोटली. Okay, so then you can apply on these jobs. So there are plenty and many jobs available on this website of AAPC. Okay, so you guys can also get the certifications. Okay, so if you guys can also get the trainings as well. ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग लेनी हो, certifications करनी हो, so you guys can just go through all these kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and we will see that what kind of jobs are available. ऑन साइट भी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं. इसके अलावा क्या कहते हैं, रिमोट जॉब्स जो कि आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी इजीली कर सकते हो. ओके, उनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन देखेंगे, उसके ऊपर एक जॉब के ऊपर अप्लाई भी करेंगे, हम क्या प्रोसीजर होते हैं और किस तरीके से आप उस जॉब के ऊपर अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेयर माई स्क्रीन, सो फॉलो ऑल माई स्टेप्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेक्चर. Here you go. Okay, so as you guys can now see my screen, so you guys can see that this is a website of AAPC. Okay, so this is the official website through which you guys can get certifications. Okay, you guys can get trainings as well. Okay, so सबसे पहले कुछ certifications के बारे में देख लेते हैं कि हाँ भी कौन कौन सी certifications available हैं जो आप लोग यहाँ से कर सकते हो. So first of all आप लोगों ने इस certifications के टैब में जाना है. So view all certification. Okay, so let's see कि what kind of certifications are available on this website and you guys can get those ones. ओके, सो उसके बाद फिर ये कि हम जॉब को हमारे कंटिन्यू करते हैं कि हम ये जॉब्स किस तरीके से आप इस वेबसाइट के ऊपर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. इसको थोड़ा जूम इन कर लेते हैं ताकि आप लोगों को क्लियरली ये चीज़ें मीन ये कि शो हो जाए. ओके, सीपीसी सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल कोडर, सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल बिलर, इन दोनों की मीन ये कि कंबाइंड सर्टिफिकेशन भी अवेलेबल है इस वेबसाइट के ऊपर. ओके, सो बेसिकली एएपीसी एक एकेडमी है जिसके अंदर मीन ये कि ट्रेनिंग भी दी जाती है. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर मैंने ऑलरेडी एक लेक्चर बना दिया है. Okay, so I have already made a lecture how you guys can get certifications, what are the different criteria and what are the different fee charges, you can say that. Okay, so you guys can get to all that kind of information from my YouTube lecture. Okay, so that is already uploaded to my YouTube channel, that is Medibil Pro. Okay, so you can just subscribe this one and you guys can get different kind of information on my YouTube channel regarding these certifications basically. Okay, so the next one is going to CPC, means ये कि अगर आप लोग separate certification करना चाहते हो, you guys can just go this one. So that is certified professional coder. Next one is certified professional biller, CPB, CPC, CRC, certified risk adjustment coder, certified outpatient coder, certified inpatient coder. So all that kind of certifications are available on this website. Okay, इसके अंदर आप लोगों की इनकी description देख सकते हैं, इनके क्या criteria है, आप लोग उसको follow up कर सकते हो. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू गाइस कैन गेट ट्रेनिंग्स एंड सर्टिफिकेशंस एज वेल. इसके बाद ये है कि ट्रेनिंग का सेक्शन है, इसके अंदर आप ट्रेनिंग्स भी म्यूजिक ले सकते हो, आप लोगों की को कौन कौन सी चीज़ म्यूजिक रिक्वायर्ड होती है. सो ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ यू गाइस कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू वन. सो द मेन थिंग वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सी दैट व्हाट आर द जॉब्स अवेलेबल ऑन दिस वेबसाइट. ओके, डिफरेंट कंपनीज हैं वो यहाँ पर आके सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल बिलर्स, सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल कोडर्स के लिए जॉब्स करती हैं. सो दिस इज एन इंटरनेशनल जॉब्स हंटिंग. ओके, सो हाउ यू गाइस कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट जॉब्स विच आर अवेलेबल ऑन दिस वेबसाइट. सो इसके बाद आप लोगों ने जाने रिसोर्सेज के सेक्शन में. ओके, सो यू गाइस नीड टू हिट द बटन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज ड्रॉप डाउन एंड you guys can just see career center and find a job. Okay, so we are just going to see find a job. Okay, so let's see what kind of jobs are available. Okay, so here you go, career health at powered by AAPC. Okay, so this is basically an official website. Okay, so these jobs are not fake, are not any kind of a jobs like where you guys apply and you guys don't get the response, but these are the fact and these are the real jobs, so you guys can just get these jobs. So 1477 jobs are found right now. Okay, so इसके अंदर segregation कर दी गई है. So these jobs are segregated. You guys can just find jobs if you have a certification of certified professional coder, certified professional biller, certified inpatient coder, certified coding specialist. So all that kind of things are segregated. Okay, so आप one by one भी इसके ऊपर जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, और उसके अलावा यहाँ पर ये एक फुल मीन्स ये है कि उसके जॉब्स की जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो भी यहाँ पर दे दी गई है. You guys can just add your email over here. Once a new job is posted on this website, then you will get the alert. Okay, so let's see what kind of jobs are available. You guys can see that billing and coding specialist, prairie flowering billing, so remote. So this is basically a remote job. Okay, manager risk adjustment and CDI. Okay, मेडिकल कोडिंग ऑडिटर. अच्छा, इसके अंदर जो अब ये सेग्रीगेशन थी ना वो नहीं हुई. ये सिंपली मीन्स ये है कि जो टोटल जॉब्स यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं उनकी मीन्स ये है कि हमें यहाँ पर फाउंड की जा सकती है. अब आप अगर देखें सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल कोडर को, ये प्रोफेशनल जो बिलर है उसकी जॉब्स अगर देखते हैं तो वो यहाँ पर आप लोगों को इस तरीके से शो हो जाएंगी. बिलिंग एंड कोडिंग स्पेशलिस्ट, मेडिकल बिलर एंड कोडर फॉर प्राइमरी केयर एंड अर्जेंट केयर. Okay, so this job was posted on 24th of August. Okay, so this was posted on 13th of August. Senior billing specialist, medical billing and coding specialist. Okay, hybrid biller, coder for cardiology, vascular practice. Okay, so this is a hybrid kind of a job. Okay, so you guys will find on-site and remote jobs as well on this one. Okay, senior billing specialist, so this is a remote. Okay, medical billing and AR specialist, this is Rocky Hill City, USA. Medical biller. Okay, medical biller with EMA mod med experience, front desk administrative assistant, medical biller. So there are plenty and there are many jobs which are available on this website, as you guys can see. Okay, so if you are looking for a job and you have certifications in medical billing or medical coding or inpatient coding or outpatient coding, then you guys can just get to this kind of a website and you guys can apply on all these kind of a jobs. Okay, which are good fit for you guys. Okay, so हम try करते हैं कि एक job के ऊपर apply करते हैं कि हम how you guys can just apply and let's see what are the different specialties and what are the different description of that job. Okay, so this is going to be the billing and coding specialist. As I have mentioned in the thumbnail that we will be seeing that what is the job. Okay, what kind of a job description, responsibilities and all that kind of a stuff we are just looking for. Okay, so this is basically the remote one. $20 per hour. Okay, so you will be getting $20 per hour. That is kind of a part-time contract, certified professional coder, certified professional biller. So if you are certified professional coder and you have the additional certification of biller as well, then you guys can just apply on this job, billing and coding specialist. Okay, so job description, you can just follow up all that kind of stuff, like you will be just working. You will need to be available from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. CST Monday through Thursday. Additional hours worked will be at your own discretion. Okay, qualifications. What are qualification required? Experience in simple practice, charm, Tebra, Cario. Okay, EHR, electronic health record systems, or the ability to learn new EHR systems quickly. CPC certified professional, 2 to 3 years of work experience in medical billing and for mental health and primary care offices. Okay, so required experience level is intermediate. Okay, so if you have experience of 4 to 6 years as you are a medical biller and medical coder, okay, and you have also the certifications and you have the experience of 4 to 6 years, then you guys can apply on this one. Okay, required travel, no required travel. Okay, basically this job is going to be the remote one, so there is no need to you guys can reply on this one. Okay, so and one thing more important over here, application location is going to be the US residents only. Okay, so this job is going to be for only for the US residents. Okay, so if you're from a US resident and you live in any kind of a state and you want to work remotely, then this job is basically for you. Okay, so you guys can apply on this one. Okay, so let's see. Basically there are plenty and other jobs as well on which you guys can apply. If you are from Pakistan, India, Philippines or other kind of a countries, then you guys can also apply on those kind of a jobs. Okay, so we are just going to see that how you guys can apply on this one. Okay, so once you hit the button apply now, then you will be just directed to this window. So this is going to be the upload your resume. Okay, so you guys need to upload your resume over here. You guys also need to upload your recent photo over here. Okay, so this is going to the personal summary, so you guys can just add your personal introduction, like what is your name, where are you belong from. Okay, so what kind of a different kind of a like educational career, professional career, and you guys can just provide a simple summary of your professional like personal kind of a things you guys can add over here. Okay, so the what is the desired job title? Medical billing and coding specialist. Okay, so you guys can add this one. Job type, that would be going to the part-time, as we have already seen that one. This job was a part-time and contract based. Okay, so you guys can just hit this one. Current certifications, so what kind of a certifications do you have? So you guys need to add all that kind of a certifications. Okay, so what is going to be the certified professional coder? Okay, certified professional biller, so you guys can add that one too. Okay, so all that kind of a certifications, if you have done, then you guys can just go for this one, CPP. Okay, so these are the two certifications which were required initially. Okay, so you guys can just add these ones. Okay, so next one is going to be the desired location. So we are just having going to see the remote, okay, position. Okay, so these are the you can say that possible situations where you can just go for that one. If you live in any kind of a like state and city, then you can just go for it one. You guys need to add your phone number over here. Okay, work experience. So if you are currently working in any kind of a company, then you can just go and apply over here. Okay, you guys can just need to add medical billing specialist. What is the company name and your tenure, like from where means okay, when you just joined that company, and are you currently working over there or not, and what is the description of that job. If you're a medical biller and coder, what are your basically responsibilities and job descriptions, like how you guys are just going to transcribe or code different kind of a diseases and procedures into medical different codes like CPDs and ICDs. Okay, so if you are a medical biller and you have to get certifications in this one, and what kind of a job responsibilities are you going to follow up on different claims as well. Okay, are you just calling different insurances, what kind of communications experiences do you have. So all that kind of a stuff you can just add over here. Okay, so basically they are looking for the responsibilities what you have, and your experiences must be added, like what kind of a electronic health records. Okay, so what kind of a electronic health record software do you have used, like Careo, Dr. Chrono, eClinical Works, or all that kind of a stuff which you have already used in your previous job. Okay, so next one is going to the education, your degree or specialty, university or institution from to. Okay, so when you have just completed this one, after adding all that kind of a stuff, you can just go and hit the post button. Okay, so in this way, this job will be applied successfully. So they will send you back the confirmation that you guys have applied successfully on this job, and you can just follow up on different kind of things. If they will review your, if they will, they surely review your certifications, review your basically job descriptions which you have already provided in this section. Okay, and see if you are a good fit for them, then they will reply you back, then they will contact you, then they will arrange an interview for you guys. Okay, so my best wishes are for you guys. So you guys need to apply with your professional and attractive resume. If you want to know how you guys can make that resume, then you guys can just visit my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded few lectures on that one. Okay, so how you guys can just make your professional resume, so you can visit that one. Okay, so in this way, you guys can just apply on this job. So if you are looking for other different jobs or as well, then you guys can just go into the resources section, then find jobs, and you will be having different jobs over here. Okay, so these jobs are basically certified professional coder. Okay, so manager, risk management, medical coding auditor, psychiatry, pathology. Okay, so medical coder or billing. Okay, so this was uploaded on 14th of August. This was uploaded on 16th of August. Okay, so these are the remote jobs. So if you're still looking for the remote jobs, then you guys can apply on these ones. Okay, so these are the basically different kind of a jobs which are available. Okay, so you guys can just refine by state as well. Okay, and you also can just refine by experience level. Okay, and you also can refine by city. Okay, and if you are just looking for the remote, then you guys can just go for the remote positions defined by salary and defined by full-time, part-time contract, external. Okay, and you can also refine by certifications. If you have certification of only medical billing, then you can just go for CPB. If you have inpatient coding, then you can just go for this one. If you are a certified professional coder, then you can just go with these ones jobs. Okay, so I hope these kind of things and this kind of information will be quite helpful for you guys. Okay, so you guys, if you are just looking for a remote or on-site jobs and you want to just shift from your previous job, then you guys can just apply on these jobs, because these are the real 100% real jobs which are posted on AAPC website. Thank you so much for your attention. So if you guys like this information, then you guys can just visit my YouTube channel. So there are plenty and many other jobs as well for Indians, for Philippines, for Pakistan's viewers as well. So if you guys are still looking for different jobs in medical billing sector, if you have different certifications in medical billing sector, then you guys can just go and apply on these jobs. And if you guys find any kind of a trouble while applying on these jobs, you guys can just comment, and you guys can also email me as well. Okay, so I will get back to you as soon as possible. So this was all about 100% international remote on-site jobs hunting, billing, and coding specialists. Okay, so if you guys have any kind of a queries, then you guys can let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So inshallah, we'll meet in the next session with different kind of a stuff in medical billing. So till then, take care of yourself and do remember me in your kind prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.